Welcome to my channel. Today I will show
7 best hair dryers. Revlon Compact Hair Dryer. Salon-style blowouts, one-of-a-kind waves and curls, and the perfect hair accessory to reinvent your style. End cap for easy cleaning and maintenance. And compact and lightweight design. Quickly dry and style your hair with 2 heat/speed settings to suit your personal needs. Will require voltage converter. 1875 watts. Wattage of this appliance may vary depending on the location of use. Revlon Volume Booster Hair Dryer. Equipped with a volumizing finger diffuser that softens airflow to define natural curls and waves. Maintain a neutral charge on the hair's surface, leaving it looking conditioned and smooth. This supreme hair styler is equipped with a volumizing finger diffuser and smoothing concentrator and removable end cap for easy cleaning. Conair 1875 watt double ceramic hair dryer. Featuring double ceramic technology plus frizz fighting conditioning ions for less damage and more shine. Includes 3 heat/2 speed custom dryer settings for different hair types. A removable filter prevents lint buildup, extending motor life. From traditional bonnets to high-tech dryers equipped with cutting-edge technology, Conair has a great selection of hair dryers for every hair type and every hairstyle. RUSK Engineering W8LESS Dryer. Lightweight aerodynamically designed ceramic and tourmaline dryer, with extreme power. It also adds lots of volume and dries my hair very quickly. The far-infrared rays penetrate the outer cuticle of the hair, drying it from the inside out. After shampooing and conditioning hair, towel dry to remove excess moisture and part into sections. BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Hair Dryer. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Hair Dryer features 2000 watt power and lightweight ergonomic handling for less hand fatigue. This lightweight dryer uses Ionic technology to create gentle even heat. Hair dries faster with less frizz. Great for all hair types including thick and coarse hair, this blow dryer helps reveal shiny, healthy looking hair. Black Gold 2000 watts Ionic Hair Dryer. Ion generator, ceramic, and ion technology for fast drying, even heating and less damage. Multiple settings, 4 heat/3 speed, for styling variety and great performance on all hair types. Turbo boost button provides an extra speed option. Comfortable hold, agile to operate, detachable end cap for easy cleaning. Automatic dual voltage lets you create when you are on the go. Drybar Reserve Ultralight Anti-Frizz Blow Dryer. Drybar Reserve Ultralight Anti-Frizz Blow Dryer features Ionic desiccant technology that provides faster drying time and helps reduce frizz for a smoother, shinier blowout. Weighs only 1 pound. Ionic desiccant technology provides faster dry time and reduced frizz for a smoother finish. This hair dryer is lightweight but it's bulky and the attachments are difficult to remove and put on.
Follow video description if you want to know price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel.